So this week we're talking about science and the scientific method. And you may be rolling your eyes at this moment because you've probably learned something about the scientific method. I know my fifth grader is learning something about the scientific method right now. So this is something you've probably heard about. But it is fundamental to our understanding of biology and where we get all the information we're going to talk about the rest of this semester. So it's important that we all get on the same page about science and the scientific method. So let's start with the idea that there's two types of information out there: objective information and subjective information. Objective is information or data that is measurable. Subjective is data or information that's influenced by opinion, values, morals, faith, aesthetics. I think everyone knows what most of those things mean. Aesthetics mean what something looks like. So you can look at a sunset and think, oh, that's beautiful. Or you can look at a painting and think, that's not art, or someone else thinks it's amazing. So that's subjective. So if science is the collection and analysis of objective data, science can only tackle things that you can collect objective data for. So I'm a bat biologist. If I want to study something about bats, I need to be able to record how many there are and when are they active and what kind of food are they eating. And think about everything there is something I could write down easily on a spreadsheet. Science can't tackle subjective information. And I think the word subjective has some negative connotations. And I want to sort of correct that idea, because subjective information is very important. Our morals, our values, our faith are very, very important to people. But they just aren't something we can tackle in science. And so, does God exist? That's a really important question for a lot of people and extremely valuable. But it's not something we can collect data on, so it's just not the realm of science. And so through this semester we'll talk a little bit about some of the limitations of science, and this is a key one. Can we collect objective data? Then it is in the realm of science. If we can't, then it's equally important but outside the realm of science.